Hi everyone, James here at Your Next Car, bringing you the walk around video of the 420D Msport Coupe. As always, we're going to begin with taking a walk around the exterior whilst I talk you through some of the features and options. Then I'm going to make my way around. I'm going to go ahead, take a seat inside the vehicle, where once we're there we will of course go through some of the interior features. The exterior of the car is presented in the very nice and always very popular Xdrive blue. Alongside that, of course, we finished that off with the full Your Next Car Mperformance body styling kit, which is all fitted in-house. You will also notice as we go around the car, as I'm going to point out some of the features and options, this vehicle comes equipped with the BMW Msport Plus pack. Included in that is the much larger front and rear end brakes, privacy glass, Harman Kardon surround sound and the heated Dakota leather seats. It also comes with the very nice 19-inch 704M alloy wheels, which are finished in the original Biobit grey, and they are in fantastic condition all the way around, and come with the premium mixed run flat tyres. Excuse me. At the very front of the vehicle, you'll notice it is a 2017 plate and comes with the Angel Eye and Xenon headlamps. Taking a further look down the side of the car, you'll notice the gloss back air breathers and that privacy glass, as I've already mentioned. Going ahead to take a glance around down the side of the car. Straight away you can see the satin side vinyl sidebars and Mperformance decals. You'll also notice them lovely end brakes, as I've already mentioned. Going around to take a glance at the very rear, and you'll notice the Xdrive badging. That is BMW's superb four-wheel drive system that this vehicle also has equipped. As you can see, a very clean and tidy exterior on this vehicle, which matches the very clean and tidy interior, which is packed full of options, which of course just in a moment we are going to get through. Once again, we'll just take a minute to appreciate how well the Xdrive blue and black of the YNC Mperformance body styling kit all work together, and of course I just want to show you how well these alloys are in condition wise and how well they sit against the coupe styling of the 4 Series. Inside the vehicle you get a very nice black Dakota leather, which, as I've mentioned, in the front is heated, along with the electric lumbar adjustment. In the rear we have an Isofix rear bench with the centre folding armrest, and of course that centre storage tray, which takes place of a third seat, as it is a 2x2 rear bench in the 4 Series, much like most coupes. We will quickly just go back around and take a glance at the boot, as it is always a feature that a lot of people are interested in when buying a coupe vehicle, as it is often a compromised space. However, in the 4 Series it's not a problem at all, as it is a very large boot and you can split fold the seats should you require to. So there is plenty of room in there for day-to-day usage, and of course having that split folding seat function really does help should you require to put anything in there that is larger than everyday life requires. Moving on, I'm going to go ahead and take a seat inside the car, as there is still a good amount of options and features to get through on this stunning 4 Series. Full BMW service history, which is currently being displayed on the professional wide navigation and media screen. You also of course get satellite navigation. Media wise you get DAB and a wide array of multimedia inputs. Bluetooth for not only Bluetooth telephone as well as audio. And as you can see there, going back to the main menu, is the newer version of the iDrive and Pro widescreen, and it is just now a little bit nicer on the eye and a little bit more user friendly. Dual climate control, and this is also where you'll find the switches for the heated seats. Alongside that, the vehicle has the 8-speed sports gearbox, which is why we have these lovely flappy paddles situated on the multifunction M Sport steering wheel. Cruise control, speed limiter function, voice and volume controls, and as I've mentioned, the vehicle has only covered just over 48,000 miles now. So in summary, we have a very nicely spec'd, and of course not forgetting the 4-wheel drive system that comes on this 190 brake horsepower 2-litre diesel engine, makes for an all-round superb package. And of course, when we add the Your Next Car Mperformance body styling kit to the vehicle, really does finish the whole look off of the vehicle. As always, I hope you found this walk around video useful, and if you do have any questions, please do feel free to drop them down below in the comments, where I'll be happy to get back to you as soon as possible. If you do want any further information, please do check out the link below to our website, where of course you can obtain all of the pricing and finance options for this vehicle and all of our other fantastic examples. Thank you very much for taking the time to watch the video, and we hope to see you very, very soon. Thank you, goodbye.